So guys, welcome back. Just picked up this hood damper last week. Now we're gonna put it onto the RSX and hopefully it works, because I tried it once a couple years ago and for some reason I couldn't get it to work properly. That time it was a TN hood damper. This is now NRG, so we'll see. We'll see if I can get it to work properly, because the issue with my hood is my hood prop here sucks, because I'm running a RBC intake manifold, and as you can tell, the distance between where the prop is, the hood prop is, it's interfering with my intake manifold. So if I drive it normally and don't hit it hard, it will be okay, but when I push it hard, the hood prop tends to get smashed in between here, and I don't like that. Plus, it doesn't have that clip that holds it in there because of how far the RBC anti-manifold pushes up to the rail here. So I'm gonna hopefully I can get it to work and take this whole hood prop out. So here's basically what's all in the box. Some stickers, or one sticker. Hardware, the two dampers themselves. Short installation diagram, but should be pretty straightforward. So let's get these on, hopefully it'll work. So the NRG hood damper comes with these little plates, right side and left side.
Just enough to make peace, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of.
So that's how you do that first part, first clip. So you gotta make sure it sits in there nicely. I know it's hard to see, but it's got, make sure it's nice and flush back there, and then it should be good. And I torqued it down to 7.2 pounds. So about 7 pounds. That's what the owner's manual says.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. Right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. But I'm so
Alright, so here's a closer look. I just attached that top piece. That's how it's supposed to be. This top part facing up that way. Then the damper itself is going down here. Got the lock pins in there. I just put a little bit of grease on there. It didn't say to, but I just did it. And I torqued it down 7 pounds on top. So now it's a moment of truth. Just gotta see if it actually works. I mean, last time I got this far and I couldn't get it to work properly. It's supposed to, when you close it, it's supposed to go down smoothly. When you pop it open, it's supposed to go up smoothly. And when I did my first install on my TN a couple years ago, I couldn't get it to work properly, so I ended up just selling it. So going back to it again, this is the old setup with the hood prop. I'm gonna get rid of that. Hopefully it'll work. Even if it doesn't work, I'm gonna make it work. So we'll see if it works good. So I'll just set the camera down, and because now I need another person here to help me hold the hood while I pop these down here, because with the way the hood prop open normally, I can't get it to sit in there. You see it's sticking a little bit too far, so I gotta open the hood a little bit more in order for me to pop it in there. So I'll try to do that, and then put you guys back on. Alright guys, I got both sides put in now. This side is done, that side is done. I did test it, and then it does close, so that's how it looks. Pop it back open. Goes up by itself. So pretty easy install. And then when you look at it, it's slightly higher than the normal hood prop. So you have a little bit more head clearance. Now I can get rid of this nasty hood prop. Yeah, that's it. It is Christmas Eve over here in Wisconsin, and I do have my heater on. It's pretty cold, so Christmas Eve. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.
Walking alone, the streets are empty.